Okay, hello everyone. So I'm going to be talking about ethics. Really, as Chris has already mentioned, it's a really important aspect of our work, and something that's important institutionally in that we had to get ethical approval to run this summer school for the work we're going to be doing in it, but also something that's really should be really important to all of us personally as well. And I think there's some interesting intersections between research ethics, personal ethics, and the kind of ethics that institutions approve. I did post on the Facebook group a link to a talk that I gave a couple of years ago, really tries to address some of those questions and concerns. And I think that possibly in this box, we have, a series of documents which reflect our ethics process and the applications that we made for the summer school. So, and the different, we made two applications, as I said. One which is very similar to the one that Larissa was talking about earlier, where we were only allowed to film hands. Another one where we can actually film everything, as long as the participants agree. They need to agree for everything. But made two different kinds of ethics applications, and I think one thing that's really interesting is how and why each of those ethics applications was successful in different ways. First, by way of introduction, I want to just talk a little bit about why I'm interested in ethics and why it's important to think about ethics beyond just getting it past the ethics committee. I think that the digital, the sensory returns, and scholarship, they've both got some kind of interesting implications for ethnographic methods and ethics in terms of what we're trying to understand about people's experiences, and also in terms of what we can do in terms of disseminating what we've learned and how we do that. There's also another context, which is in terms of impact, intervention and design in the ethnographic social sciences and in other fields. And that, again, has really interesting implications for ethics, because traditionally, ethics has been about ensuring that we don't cause harm to research participants, hopefully to ourselves as well, but we've been attended to less in past iterations of ethics, and to our institutions and to other institutions. The thing is, though, if we're actually going to do research to have impact on the world that intervenes and changes things or enables change for the future, how do we actually control that ethically? I think that presents a really interesting question. So it means we have to actually think about the future, the uncertainty of the future, which I've been talking about before, about the possibilities. If we open up possibilities, we don't know what's going to happen next. That sits very uncomfortably with the kind of regulatory, anticipatory logics of ethical approval processes that institutions like universities engage in. And it also creates some interesting challenges for ethnography, because ethnography and ethnographers, particularly anthropological ethnographers, have taken ethical refuge in the past orientation of the discipline of anthropology. In fact, the past orientation of the discipline of anthropology is being constructed around an ethics which is very much about respect for participants.